Yo, what's up? You know what time it is? It's for another giveaway. Of course, of giveaway. This time, I'm going to make it lower because I don't have that much brain right now. I hope you guys happy. So let's go. Sorry for the lag. Shut it. Come on, loads. Sorry for long loading. My phone is not that good because no we poor, but we still can afford to eat. Sorry for the lags. Okay, so this is the second giveaway. The first giveaway is this. First giveaway is this. The second is this. And probably the third will be this. Alright. The third one will be this. So like and subscribe. I will give this away in 60 likes. So subscribe and like. Peace.